Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Wanted to thank you for support of our company and following us on social media. Today we're going to be installing the 40-inch light bar kit on the 2021 Ford Bronco. Step is to remove the accessory ready caps. There's a button here. You just press the button and it comes off. Next step is to remove these two nuts off of the plastic trim piece. We're going to be reinstalling the same ones after we slide our bracket underneath. And then we pick up the bracket. The provided bracket into the bolts, place the same plastic trim piece on them, and tighten the same nuts. M&R is the only company that I've seen on the market that is capable of mounting a 40-inch light bar, which is flat close to the windshield, and reusing the plastic covers for the factory appearance. Hey guys, now that you've installed your light bar onto the Bronco mounts, now let's worry about the wiring. So each light bar comes with two wires. One's a negative ground and one is a positive. So you can either extend this particular wire and connect it to the auxiliary switches on the Bronco if your Bronco is equipped with them. If not, you can just purchase an aftermarket generic wiring harness with a switch and bring it inside the cab. Hey guys, thanks for watching through our video and enjoy the new upgrades for your truck.